Hello friends, today we'll be discussing about customer service and the concept of customer service in our 10 minutes lecture series. Uh, Today the customer service have very high standards of quality and brand loyalty. It's not they want products that are best price. Customer wants very high standards. Customer has got very high standard. He is got less quality, less price products, high quality products with best level of service at times convenient to their schedule. So satisfying customer, there is a need of customer service. In competitive environment, customer service is an important means of differentiating from the competitors and to create a customer loyalty. Now, let us define the customer service. Customer service refer to activities between the buyers and the sellers that enhance or facilitate the sales or use of seller's product or service. Customer service definition includes the following things: an activity or function to be managed, such as order processing, handling of the customer complaints, actual performance or the parameters such as ability to ship the order within a certain period of time, part of an overall corporate philosophy of the customer, focus on meeting the needs of the customer. Now these are the part which have been included in the definition. Now concept of customer service. Basically it is a concept whose importance reaches far beyond the logical area. Now this is beyond the logical area, logistic area rather. Now since we have seen this customer service is also included in marketing, and a production area person who is destined to do a customer service job, that is also included in his arena. So customer service is thing which is included in almost all the arenas these days. Customer service frequently affects every area of the firm by attempting to ensure customer satisfaction through the provision of service to the customer. For example, we can providing financial and credit terms to the customers, installing a product, maintaining spare parts and inventory, and giving it to the customer as and when required. Concept of customer service, let us see it from this point of view. From logistic perspective, customer service is an outcome of all logical activities or supply channel processes. Customer service is generally presumed to be a means by which companies attempt to differentiate their product, keep the customer loyalty, increase the sales of their product, improve the profits of the product. Now customer service, when utilized effectively, is primary variable that have significant impact on creating demand and retaining customer loyalty. Customer service is the procedure of satisfying, resolving customer complaints about the products and the services. Customer service is most important dimension of product service or of a service offered to the customer. Now let us see the definition of customer service given by experts. According to International Customer Service Association, customer service is those functions within the business that have customer satisfaction as their responsibility and provide that the satisfaction through the fulfillment of sales, order, demand, and or information needs. So what is customer service? Is satisfying the customer, providing the satisfaction through the sales order demand, or of providing the customer with the information needs. Now this is the International Customer Service Association definition. According to Turban, customer service is series of activities designed to enhance the level of customer satisfaction. That is the feeling that a product or service has met the customer expectations. It is clear from this definition that customer service involves successful implementation of integrated logistics management concept in order to provide the necessary level of customer satisfaction at the lowest possible total cost. So it is clear that how can customer service be delivered? It can only be delivered by having an integrated logistic management system in the organization, so that this customer service or the customer satisfaction can be delivered at the lowest possible cost. So this is all about customer service and its concept. We will be